Hussain Sagar Lake, an engineering marvel, was built around 450 years ago by Hussain Shah Wali of Qutub Shahi dynasty. Hussain Sagar, the most precious pearl of Hyderabad, served in the past for drinking and irrigation purposes, besides being a rich source of biodiversity. However, growing population, rapid urbanization and industrialization in the catchment areas exposed Hussain Sagar to pollutants from various sources like domestic sewage, industrial pollutants and large quantities of solid waste. To restore Hussain Sagar Lake to its past glory, Hyderabad Metropolitan Development Authority HMDA is implementing the Hussain Sagar Lake and Catchment Area Improvement Project HCIP.
The basic objective of Hussain Sagar and Catchment Area Improvement Project is to ensure that Hussain Sagar is brought back to its past glory. To ensure this, we have to ensure that no untreated water enters the lake from the 4 drains which have now actually turned into nalas. We are ensuring this by constructing 2 STPs of 50 MLD capacity that will treat the sewage water and let it into the lake. And the balance 2 nalas, we are diverting the sewage into the sewerage lines of the city. So this way we are ensuring that the water gets cleaner day by day and it will come back to its past glory.
Under HCIP, all sewage and effluents coming from 4 nalas are diverted by IND structures through big sewer lines and constructed 3 STPs so that only treated water enters the lake. This is resulting slowly in enhanced water quality. To complement the efforts of HMDA in cleaning Hussain Sagar and involve every citizen in this huge task, HMDA has launched a Clean Hussain Sagar campaign. The cooperation of public is a must to make the campaign sustainable and widen its scope. Public awareness, participation and coordination is being sought through involvement of school children, young volunteers, IT professionals, other institutions and public in general. We believe that together we can revive the past pristine glory of Hussain Sagar Lake. Let's join hands together and ensure a clean Hussain Sagar for all of us.